Hi everyone, in this video I will showing you how to get a face bundle that gives you a headless tree. So first of all, you have to go to main marketplace, and now you have to go to that gives. First of all, you have to go to in settings. Now you have to choose recently created. It will give you all the new head and items. So now you have to go to in price and set zero as maximum. So now you have to click on go. When you click on go, now you have to scroll down and just get this item as soon as possible because it may go for sale with few Robux. So just get it as soon as possible. And once you get it, just grab it as soon as possible. I have already owned this item. So now I just need to go to an avatar. Now to get this item, guys, to equip it, you have to go to in head and body and then go to style. Now you have to equip this item, click on it, equip the hand head. Now as you can see, it gives you amazing look. You can remove the hair if you want. But if you want to have the headless tree, then you can do one thing here. Just choose the hair and go to skin tone. Go to skin tone, head and body, and skin tone. And now click on this advanced option. Now go to head. Now go choose a black color or a color that matches to your hair. I chose this color. Now you'll see that it looks like there is no head or the head is invisible. So yeah, that's how you can get it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.